Hello, Weekend Crafter! Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. I'm Ange, your Weekend Crafter, and for this weekend, I want to share with you some fall colors. But before I do that, I hope that you consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio. Some of the colors that I will mix today were the colors I used for last week's fall slab. Let's make marigold yellow, heartthrob red, copper orange, burnt orange, and apricot pink. Apologies for my lighting in advance. We are in our rainy season, so it's hard to film. I used a ring light which unfortunately bounces off my glass mat. Speaking of glass mats, I always begin by spritzing mine with some alcohol and wiping it down. Now let's bring our colors out. For marigold, let's get 3 parts of Sculpey Primo accents in 18 karat gold and 1 part Fimo in sunflower yellow. The Fimo yellow clay was particularly hard and crumbly, so I had to get my craft hammer to help me condition this. If you haven't watched that video yet that I made on conditioning hard and crumbly clay, I will share a link above for you to see my favorite ways of making this clay usable. After hammering, I pass it through the roller, using the thicker settings first and then making my way to the thinner settings in order to fully incorporate the colors. Then, I added a part of Sculpey Primo in orange. For the next color, which is burnt orange, I mixed 3 parts of Kato and terracotta and 1 part of the marigold color that we just mixed. If you frequently watch my color mixing videos, you will notice that I always use bits of the clay I mix throughout the palette. I feel like when I do this, it makes it so much easier to combine colors. After hammering these colors together, I pass it through the roller. My Kato is even crumblier, so I have to take more time to condition it. Then, I add 1 part of Sculpey Soufflé in white. I also add 1 part of ballerina pink just to lighten it a bit further. For the heartthrob red, mix equal parts cadmium red and the burnt orange color. For the apricot pink, let's mix 2 parts ballerina pink with 1 part Sculpey white. And I also added a sliver of marigold to add a slightly orange tinge. And for the final color, which is copper orange, let's mix some burnt orange and white. Get 1 part of the copper orange and 2 parts white. And then mix together until the colors are fully incorporated. From these colors, I made a small slab which I will use as a cover for my candle holder. I will just let you watch the video to see what I've done with these fall colors. I hope that you enjoyed this color mixing video and that you've gotten some fall ideas from these colors. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!